because they try something on my name to hold a big distraction, and all of what everybody hearing now, they not taking it to a deeper feel or a deeper level. And I would never give my auntie no hassle, because everybody should know I put her where the Lord put her, and that's it. I do not waste God's time to judge this woman and go in a God's will, whether it's good or bad. There is a thing that they all mess up out here, and I am not gonna be one of them that the Lord be vexed with. I let the Lord work. If you was afraid of me, ping ping, at any time at all, you would have never continued after I diss you in one of the most clever ways and let the Lord work and not me myself and expose your dumb ass. These days, you would have never tell me about my dead parents that are not in the living. You would have never done these things if I make you that scared. You are the devil. You are a fire, and I have you up because you well know what you was doing. Well, don't call my name, because I win in spirit, and I ain't never did you shit. When all that was said and done, you told the people, but because them don't like Ping Ping, because Ping Ping is Americanized and Ping Ping speak the truth, when y'all speak in patois to say all manner of evil, threats, money on people's head, I come out and I say it. And you try to paint me, but you couldn't. I don't fuck with none of y'all until the Lord change y'all. Because if it's for me, I don't know. But you see, because I'm cool with that man and I got a relationship with him, and I'm very smart by how I was raised, y'all are dibby to me. You feel me? Because I'm too strict as a young person, and y'all don't find me like that. And all of the things, Ono can't spoil me. Ono can't mix me no dear, none at all. With nothing that I don't want mixed with me. You would have never done no shit like that, since you're afraid. But if the people ever call you, Jennifer, a hypocrite spirit, you are, and you see all of that shit that you doing, will come back and bite you. Let me tell you something, Queen B, cause you ain't no fucking queen, but let me tell you something, cause that's your name. Because of one businesswoman, I would have never spoiled nothing for her, because I respect her to one of the highest level. She is my favorite person on strength on social media. My number one favorite person. Zimmy? And I don't need nothing, no shine from that woman. I always play in the corner. I'm just a chill person. I keep myself to myself. But I would never ruin a goddamn thing for her. Not from the business that I was trained to be in, or the person that I am, or what womb I came out of, and knowing certain things. I would never. Do you understand that? So all of those lies, because me Zion picnic, God picnic, higher picnic, y'all. Let me tell you something. But don't call my name, cause me and you never in a nothing. And with the way how I am, and one businesswoman, if she have an effect on someone's life, Jennifer, let me tell you something. When you tell me what you tell me, and you disturb my peace of me just losing both of my parents, it wouldn't have been nice. But I learned from that woman. And these are the things that God gonna favor me for, because He is the one that got me here for 4 years and never gave a shit but her safety and her business. And that's what I was on beat for. Not from man, neither. And that's why I cannot mix. You hear me, idiot? Don't call my name. And stupid. I let you walk. They said I could sue you. I know why I didn't. I don't want never. You wanted my beautiful auntie to come out here and raise hell on my name. You notice none of them can say she disrespect me because I never feel that way. And if me never listened to my bro Ashanti page, I would have never heard it because I was too afraid, because I'm not used to that. Me's a one-away kid that stand on business, girl. And he's a very serious individual. And I live with nothing as an empty person that just lose my parents. So when you do these things on the quiet and I don't say nothing to the world because I'm not like your average, don't feel like I won't tell you. And that's a good damn reason for any business to hear this part. That the reason why I don't react is because of, you know, when you're bad picnic and nobody can talk to you, especially a time like this, and to not know a person, but they can leave that positive effect on you because of what people have done, and then you learn them through the internet like people supposed to use it. Nobody could take that away from me. And I have my logical reason. Why don't I try to put her down or put her in a prison behind me? Never that. It would never happen. If they say, give me one person that you affected in 5 years of you knowing them, I can stand up and they could give me a polygraph, and I never dissed her. And nobody could make me diss her. And because she said what she said, which I didn't even hear it all the way up until this day. Yeah, it make me feel ways, but you want me to tell you how I steer, Queen Bee? It flipped. I was pissed at you, girl. Who knows what I wanted out there? All my videos stand. 10 toes. And 10 foot tall too. Not for no gain. Not for none of that. I never cared about none of that stuff. I'm a different type of person. And that's why people outside in the world love ping gal. So nobody about this blogger. None of the things that women hear about you. Nastiness. I never like it. I know me definitely not like it. Queen Bee, so don't call me name and don't talk to me. Anne-Marie, when you are deal with GT Buzz, do not call my fucking name. If you say you love me, only God can know that shit, and oh, you feel, or whatever the case may be. I stand on my goddamn business. Don't call my name. Cause we uno in the same thing. In a time, loyalty and all of that, I don't even speak on things like that because I'm in no class with nobody. But don't call my name around nothing. If I'm not answering you on the things that you have, don't call my fucking name with fear. You love me? Go tell the Lord and he will whisper something in your ears. I'm quite sure he will. And then he will respond to me. But don't call my name. I don't want to say certain things, but when you hold your argument with him, hold your argument with him, with none of you guys. Underneath the quiet, it's sad how y'all think, how y'all is for real, and the measure that y'all will go for money out here. I'd rather to get a job. Y'all are the ones that's talking. Leave me alone with whatever opinion I have and the truth that I've been standing on for 4 years. Learn how to battle without my fucking damn girl. And if we're a mile road neighbor, you must understand that everything that you come up here and you do on YouTube, Anne-Marie Eugene Frazier, that we ain't gonna like it. You feel me? We don't mix in our carelessness. You get me? I'm trying to tell them, like, them things I mean, I just some old idiot person. Man, I'm not one fool. Man, I'm not an idiot. Reality conversation. Done. Leave the man alone. I'm not too hard. Who no know if God bless the people them or not. For they were them there today. You know see that's a sign. You don't have to be intelligent to hear this shit. Or for understand it neither. You don't know if God bless them people that want not cuss out the people them and want bad for the people them and them children them and all of them something there. So why una do that? I don't know. You ever see that little child, the last one, in our family when I play no game and I just saw them born. And you ever hear them been like telling them, big shut up, all them life. Me and one of them type them. My mother get older and tell me, say finally, you're not my mother. Me say, come on with your foolishness. I know that I'm not your mother, I'm your child. You think God sent me for that? I'm going love my mother. I'm going to fight and fight until me know so my mother and my father gone and them gone home to glory. And the reason, yes, me will broke down sometime, but the reason why me proud as a child, because I fight for that, right? Because you can leave from your country, all is well, and you can come to foreign places, and it just split. That's why I'm a big pan holding on to God. You understand me? So that's why one time I did hear certain things out here, man. From like one woman there over there, some nah call her name neither, cause she don't even understand. I peer fake shit them there and I'm in it. And when I come out the last time and tell her and tell them and tell her, I'm not playing. He's not one of them child there. Everybody older than me, you know. They leave a lot of trails behind. And they try to make up for the next year to come. I don't know what year to see them conversation all over again. And if you don't run them live backwards, stop here, run them live backwards. Every one of them live every year for the last 5 years is the same thing. And then when you go past that, only get wiped off of the map because we all been out here knowing about each other for 5 years, right? It go continue with the drunkard spirit them. Some of the drunkard spirit them they have to shut them out. Because shit never right with them. Lorian. And the cap them need them out. In a comments probably. But listen here. Do the mathematics. Do it make sense? Don't you see exercising their downfall of feeling mad, so they hate to see people that's doing good because it's always negative? But they're the first to have, right? Do it make sense? No, it don't. What is a clout chaser? Everything that I explained just now. And that's all of their name. You include who you want. All of them. Every last one of them where I talk shit. Don't miss. Well, I've split between them legs. They have no regards for their own home, which is their asset, nor their spirituality as far as the Lord judging them based on how they treat their neighbors. They have no reason doing the things that they have been doing. And then the newcomers is just as dumb as the old one because they learn from them. So they get caught up and mix up. People are class them left and right, center, top to bottom. You know what I'm saying? Corner to corner. Yeah. You see that some of the things that they hear is true. But they're going to ignore it because they don't want that fire on them. You see what I mean? You hear it. You can see it. They won't change their language. I won't tell them what to do. You see them woman, yeah? Them big woman gala, them like for copy, you know. Them copy people working at school, you know. And you can tell. You're not copying my work to fix yourself. So I won't be saying much. And me in a jail. Them just give me a time because I've been behaving, so they put me on the rec yard. Only Anne-Marie Fraser know how to do it because this is the page that she was following me on at first 4 years ago. After I block her, you know. But they don't. The most evilest woman is a woman that never remember the shit that they have done to people and make a whole scene like the people that are telling the truth is crazy or something wrong with them. Peep the scene. Alright? Peep the scene. That the one there with a no neck. She feel like say she can get up and mess with the favorite teacher there every day. And I call up her name. But I want y'all to listen. If y'all ever hear that big woman gal with the no neck, I want y'all to pay attention to the things that they say. You hear what I tell you? And hold on to God, but listen instead of on a dead. Them don't have no argument. Trust this little one over here. You play up with them gal here, them big man gal here, and you talk to them on phones and things, them are gonna believe like them know you and stuff like that. The best of the best train me for a time like this, yeah? Because them know I was gonna be alone at some point. You hear me telling you? I'm have wisdom. I'm have knowledge. No man can take that from me. Me not have to walk. Me can walk and park everything and walk with that. And that's my $1 billion ticket. And that's my bricks to throw over there to make my mansion over there in Zion. And that's why I'm the way that I am. As an individual. Where blood runs through my veins like the whole of them nastiness there. And the good people there. So when them attack and all of them something else, I want to know if start study. You see, if you don't study a person like me, you're not going to be boring because I come and I do not change. When you get to a level in life and it ever click to you like a light bulb and it go ding, when you realize and understand that a thief don't even like a thief from them, and you know that there is a problem, that there's other shit that we need to be doing, then you know I gonna start like me. But as for now, for the ones that sleep, they ain't gonna goddamn like me. And I ain't gonna like, I'ma love them like the Lord say, but you know I ain't gotta tolerate their lies and dumb shit. Right? Right. Never that.